All right, just GB Sports Cards here doing another box. NBA Hoops, 14-15 for Steven. Yeah, I haven't seen a 101. Let's do it. Another 50, wow. What are you getting for them? Wow, 150? Jeez, that's crazy. Stuff's selling well then, huh? Yeah, talking stuff is. That was a stupid commercial. Yeah, people want it fast. I loaded up on this stuff. I think I got like 15 cases of T-shirt coming in. Dwight Howard of 2014. James Young. Paul George. Francisco Garcia. $3.99 James Anderson. Kevin Love. Andrew Wiggins. Trey Burke. Allen Iverson, Andre Miller. Joakim Noah. Mike Conley. Vince Carter. Lance Stevenson. Heard Stevenson did pretty good today, I thought, too. Jarnell Stokes. Dirk. Carlos Boozer. Russell Westbrook. Markieff Morris to $3.99. Robin Lopez. MCW. Mike Conley. Samuel Dallenberg. Russell Westbrook. Klay Thompson. Chris Paul. Jordan Adams. James Harden. LeBron James. Jared Jack to 399. Kevin Durant. Dwayne Wade. Marcus Aldridge to 99. Rajon Rondo. Kobe. Gary Payne, Ray Allen. Russell and Chamberlain. Kyle Lowry. And your jersey. Manu. Shane Larkin. 2014 Reggie Jackson. Kendall Gill. 2014 DeAndre Jordan. Rajon. Jamari. Vince Carter. Kevin Love. Jabari. Udonis Haslem to 399. John Salmons. Dwayne Wade 2014. Rajon Rondo. John Stockton. Dwight Howard. Lance Stevenson. And your next hit. Aaron Gordon. Blake Griffin. Damian Lillard. Shaq and Olajuwon. CJ Wilcox. Larry Bird. And your hits, man. Good luck. Your jersey. Eric Bledsoe for the Clippers. Your first hit here. It's for the Utah Jazz. Rookie auto of Rodney Hood. Rodney Hood. Rookie autograph. And your second auto. Mr. Dan Marley. Dan Marley. You go, Steven. Appreciate it again, man.